In 2021, the worldwide drone services market was valued at approximately $14 billion. As per research, global drone services market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 19.8% by 2032. Globally, the industrial usage of drones is gaining popularity. Drones increase work efficiency and productivity, decreasing workload and production costs. Drones are extremely beneficial in places where man cannot reach or is unable to perform in a timely and efficient manner. Demand of drones is rising continuously in agriculture, supply chain, monitoring, and surveillance areas. Vikram is a director at European Business and Technology Center.
EBTC Startup Forum facilitates the collaborative growth and internationalization for startups and scale-ups between Europe and India. As you are all very well aware, the use of drones or unmanned aircraft systems US in both Europe and India has increased significantly in recent years. Drones have already been utilized in security, rescue and surveillance operations, geospatial mapping, and are also being increasingly adapted for last mile connectivity in the logistics sector. And where do we want to reach by 2030?
The government of India has carried a series of reforms to make India a global drone hub by 2030. We highlight 7 key initiatives. First, Government of India has announced the Drone Rules 2021, revamping the regulatory regime for drones, as well as making it easier to do business for this sector. The rules are based on a premise of trust and non-intrusive monitoring, and features include introduction of Digital Sky Platform, a user-friendly online single-window system, drastic decrease in the paperwork and costs involved in owning, manufacturing, and operating drones. It was additionally decided to develop drone corridors for cargo deliveries. A drone promotion council to be set up by government, with participation from academia, startups and other stakeholders. Second, the interactive drone airspace map was released on the Digital Sky Platform. 90% of Indian airspace as a green zone up to 400 feet has been opened. Third, Government of India has introduced the Production-Linked Incentive Scheme for promoting the manufacturing of drones and drone components. 12 drone manufacturers and 11 drone component manufacturers would be benefiting from this scheme. The scheme will not only help increase domestic manufacturing of drone and drone components, but also bring in new use cases and applications of drones across various sectors. Fourth, unmanned aerial vehicles are a critical and integral part of future wars and border defense. The Indian armed services are increasingly using drones for surveillance and reconnaissance purposes. Project Cheetah from Indian Air Force is a case in point. Fifth, in a major boost to promote precision farming in India, the Union Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare has issued guidelines to make drone technology affordable to the stakeholders of this sector. Standard operating procedures for use of drones in pesticide and nutrient application in public domain have been released in December 2021. 6. The state governments in India are promoting investments in drones in view of its wider use across sectors. As a case in point, the Gujarat government has recently released Drone Promotion and Usage Policy to promote the utilization of drones and also create 25,000 jobs in the drone sector. 7. India will need 100,000 drone pilots in the future. Drone schools are coming up in different parts of the country. Northeast's first drone pilot training school has come up in Guwahati in Assam, and School of Drone Faculty has come up in Gujarat.